like the real thing, baby. But this does taste good. It tastes just like regular fried rice, but it could be because I've been eating low carb for a while.
It's the coach, CeeCee. Big brain, hit 'em with that.
Hey y'all, here are the ingredients that you will need for your cauliflower fried rice. Of course, if you want to add any more meats, you can add any type of meats that you would like. Also, if you want to add more seasoning, you can also add the different seasonings that you would like. But this recipe calls for these ingredients that are shown here. So first we're gonna add some olive oil cooking spray. I don't know if you know or not, but it is less calories than actual olive oil. So I decided to spray my wok pan with that instead of using regular olive oil. And then we're gonna add our mixed vegetables first and let them cook for a few minutes until they're softened. And also you can go ahead and add your onion mix. And this was optional, but I pretty much put onions in all of my food, so I did add onions in there, and it did make it taste a whole lot better. And of course you add your green onions next. You can season them with pretty much whatever you like. I did use the garlic powder and the ground ginger. The recipe does call for garlic cloves and the ginger grated, but I did not use that. I got it already grated, and then I added it in to my mixed vegetables and onions. After you finish seasoning it, just give it a little stir so it all can cook evenly, and let it sit for a little while. Next, we're going to attempt to push the vegetables to the side in order to add in the eggs that we had already whisked together. And that was a hard task to keep it separated, so I did not do very good at that, but it all cooked the same. The next to the last steps is, of course, to add the cauliflower rice, and you can microwave it first if you would like, but I did not because it cooks pretty fast on the stove. But you will go ahead and add that in there and let it cook for a few minutes until you feel like it's done. It doesn't take long, as I said, so if you want to decrease the time, you can microwave it, and then it'll be done pretty quick. You're just stirring it all together, and now we're gonna add our already cooked shrimp as well as our already cooked chicken breast. And I added these because I wanted to make a meal out of this. That way we were able to get full, not just with the rice. Next, we're gonna add the soy sauce in there, and I apologize that I did not measure anything. I just went for what I know my taste buds like. I did end up putting too much of the Sriracha sauce on there, but it was still good. It wasn't too hot, but it was hotter than I would have wanted it to be. It still turned out really good. and give it a stir again, just so everything cooks evenly. And if you feel like you need to add some more of the soy sauce, sesame oil, or even the Sriracha, you can add more in there. It's just according to your taste buds. But if you're counting your calories or anything like that, then you may want to measure it out just so you can properly count it. But this does taste good. It tastes just like regular fried rice, but it could be because I've been eating